The Marching Trumpets by Boris, RCM Prep B. A little march, a very tuneful, buoyant piece, lots of fun. We're starting off with the right hand, learning the right hand part. We've got A to C as a harmonic or a blocked third. It happens twice. And then we move to our B flat and D. Blocked. So the right hand plays A to C twice and then goes to that B flat to D. And all while the left hand is just playing repeated Fs. So notice how we're above the middle C, so our left hand's got F, 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 F. So they play together, the A and the C, and then the B flat and the D. Hopefully you can see those notes while the F plays. The right hand holds, and the left hand repeats the F. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1 to 3 to 2 to 4 in the right. And the right hand's going to move finger 4 down to the C, and we're going to come down by step from the C to the B flat to the A to the G. Then we go up to the A, then to the B flat. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. And while that's happening, the left hand's going to play E to C to F, and F is our tonic note, our home note. So it sounds really good when we get to that F. So the right hand plays the C to the B flat while the left hand does the E. Then when the right hand plays the A, the left hand plays the C, then the F together with the A. Notice the B flat's by itself in the right hand. Left hand has a rest this time. And we put it together. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So we put that line together, have our first hand position on the A and the C. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. The second half starts very much like the first half, but it's abbreviated. There's fewer things to do in the right hand. See if you can spot it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So you'll have noticed, I'm sure, that we didn't play the A and the B flat at the end in the right hand. We just went to the F in the left hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that ends the A section to the song. The B section, the second section, we have another hand position shift. Left hand, finger 1 moves to D, just above middle C. And the right hand moves to the F and the A with 1 and 3. We're going to look at the left hand first. We're going to play the D with finger 1 twice. And then down a fifth to the G. Then the thumb moves to the C. And we go down a fifth to the F. So 2 fifths. D to the G. And the C to the F. So all of the notes except that final F are played twice. You might want to stop the video and get comfortable with that. The right hand part goes F to A as a harmonic third. So together, twice, and then we go from to the G B flat with fingers 2 and 4 on the B flat. So and then to the G, B flat. And then we're going to play a stepping down and up pattern starting from the A, stepping down and up, and then we're skipping down to the F. So we step down and then from the A, and then back up to the A, and then skip down to the F. And our rhythm is 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So I'm going to put that first part of the B section together once you're comfortable with each part. So we've got these 3 notes together, the D in the left hand and the F and the A in the right hand as our starting spot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Thumb on the to the C. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to show it to you again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. You might want to stop the video and get used to that section. The next section we have a slight hand position shift again. The right hand moves from the D to the D and the F on 1 and 3, and the left hand plays finger 3 on the B flat. The left hand stays in hand position for the next 4 bar section, but the right hand moves. So I'm going to show you the right hand part first. We've got the D to the F as a blocked third, happens twice. And this time, instead of going up to another third, the thumb is staying on the D, and we've got a 4th from the D to the G. It's got that really neat sound. Going to that 4th, and then we move finger 3 up to the A, stepping down and up again, and then ending on that A. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. You might have noticed that when I played the piece through, I slowed down there. That's because there's a ritardando, which means gradually getting slower, a poco ritardando, so a little bit of 1. And there's a fermata, which means we can hold that A, that final A, a little bit longer than we normally would. The left-hand part in this section, we have our B flat, as I said, and we're going to go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the third 1, 2, and then we're going to play A to C sharp. 1, 2. I'm lifting my wrist to show you how the notes look, not because it's the right technique for it. 1, 2, and then 2 and 4 go to that C sharp and A. Okay? You might want to get comfortable with that. We're going to put it together. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right hand moves to the A. Show it to you again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. And we hold with the fermata. And that's the end of the B section. The C section, the final section is just like the A section. The left hand is an octave lower. So we're going to start off exactly the same with exactly the same notes, except the left hand's down the octave for this section. So you already know this part. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So that part you already know. The only difference is the left hand's the octave lower. And then for our finale, our ending, the left hand moves down to this A, plays A, B flat, C, C, and then F. So we got A, B flat, C, C, F. And I'm playing the finger 4 here instead of the finger 5. It's a little more comfortable and it's a little bit easier to get a forte tone on that A. So you might want to get comfortable with that. And the right hand changes a bit here too. We've got a blocked 5th from F to C. We're going to be using 1 and 4, so your hand's a little bit stretched. So we've got our 5th. Pinky comes out and we have a sixth. Notice for the sixth, we're skipping over 4 keys. I'm pulling my fingers back just to show you the shape. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to go down to this sixth here from E to C and step down B flat, A, G, F. So we're just going to go through the choreography. We've got the first fifth from F to C twice, and then the thumb stays static. The right hand moves up to that sixth position, and then your thumb comes down a step and your pinky comes down a step to play that sixth from E to C, down to the B flat, to the A, to the G, to the F. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. We put this together with our left hand part. So we have together with the A, together with the B flat, and then the move, and the left hand plays the C, and they end together on our home note, our tonic note F. I'm going to count us in. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Have fun with that piece.